Hello everyone, today we are going to see about the female reproductive system which comes under chapter number 2 that is reproduction in lower and higher animals. Okay, अब इसमें हम पहले देखने वाले हैं female reproductive system. Okay, in that it consists of following parts. Which are those parts? A pair of ovaries, a pair of oviducts. मतलब इसमें क्या रहेगा, दो ovaries present रहेंगी, then दो oviducts present रहेंगे, that is what is written a pair. Okay, then uterus which will be a single, vagina single रहेगा, external genitalia रहेगा. Okay, it is also said to be as what, vulva. Then a pair of vestibular glands and the last is a pair of mammary glands. इसको हम डिटेल्स में देखने वाले हैं. ओके, नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड वी विल सी द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. ओके, उसका हम लेबलिंग देख लेते हैं एक बार. अब इसमें पहले तो आप देखोगे यहाँ पे यूट्रस प्रेजेंट है, यस, सेंटर में. देन नेक्स्ट हियर यू कैन सी राइट हैंड साइड में क्या प्रेजेंट है, फैलोपियन ट्यूब है. देन लेफ्ट में क्या शो किया है, इन्फंडिबुलम. ओके, सी फैलोपियन ट्यूब जो है वो दोनों साइड प्रेजेंट है. ओके, देन इन्फंडिबुलम प्रेजेंट है and then you can see ovaries are present on both the sides. Now these ovaries are connected to the uterus with the help of what, ovarian ligament. Yes, you can see ovarian ligament present है. Then uterine wall is present and then you can see कि femore present है जो कि ovary को hold करके रखा है, which is finger like projections you can say. Yes, कुछ तो finger जैसा दिख रहा है. Then in the center endometrium present है. Then cervix is present and the last is what, vagina. So these are the labelings of the female reproductive system. Okay, now next we are going to see about the ovary. So what is ovary? It is the primary female sex organ. Ovary क्या है? It is the primary female sex organ. Its main function is production of egg or we can say ovum and the female reproductive hormones. तो ये जो ovary है वो exactly करता क्या है, वो egg produce करेगा. eggs को हम ovum भी बोलते हैं and the female reproductive hormones, जो भी hormones हैं वो सारे produce होगा with the help of what, ovary. It is solid. कैसा दिखेगा? It is solid, oval or we can say almond shape organ. It is 3 centimeter in length, 1.5 centimeter in breadth and 1 centimeter in thickness. So it is located in the upper lateral part of the pelvis near the kidneys. कहाँ पे present रहेगा? In the upper lateral part of the pelvis which is near kidney. Kidney के पास में present रहेगा. So each ovary is held in position by ligaments by attaching it to the uterus and the abdominal wall. The largest of these is broad ligament formed by a fold of peritoneum. Now what is peritoneum? It is a membrane or we can say a sheet of smooth tissue that lines your abdominal pelvic cavity and surrounds your abdominal organs. Okay. Then it holds the ovary, oviduct and the uterus to the dorsal body wall. क्या करेगा ये? It holds the ovary, oviduct and the uterus to the dorsal body wall. The ovarian ligament attaches ovary to the uterus. अब ये जो ovarian ligament है वो क्या करेगा, ये ovary को attach करेगा to the uterus. The ovary produces 5 hormones. कौन कौन से hormones produce करता है ovary? Estrogen, progesterone, relaxin, activin and inhibin. So these are the 5 hormones which are released by the ovary. We can say it as female reproductive hormones as well. Now the next is structure and development of the ovary. How this ovary is developed. So each ovary is a compact structure differentiated into a central part which is said to be as medulla and the outer part which is said to be as cortex. तो इसका हम डायग्राम देखने वाले हैं. इस डायग्राम में जो हम देखेंगे तो जो सेंटर वाला पार्ट है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, मेडुला, और जो आउटर वाला पार्ट रहेगा उसे हम बोलेंगे कॉर्टेक्स. Once we see diagram you are going to understand it very clearly. Now next point is what, the cortex is covered externally by a layer of germinal epithelium. अब ये जो cortex है ये ऑलरेडी क्या था, बाहर का लेयर था. सेंटर में क्या है, मेडुला प्रेजेंट है, उसके बाहर क्या है, कॉर्टेक्स प्रेजेंट है. कॉर्टेक्स के बाहर मतलब कॉर्टेक्स को कौन सराउंड कर रहा है, इट इज सराउंडेड बाय अ लेयर ऑफ जर्माइनल एपिथेलियम. Now the next is the stroma or we can say it as a loose connective tissue, okay, of the medulla. कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट रहेगा, ये मेडुलरी पार्ट में प्रेजेंट रहेगा. So it has what, it has blood vessels, lymph vessels and nerve fibers. ये कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट रहेगा, medular region में. ठीक है. The outer cortex is more compact and granular. outer cortex जो है, जो cortex है, outer side जो cortex present है वो कैसा है, it is more compact and granular. It shows large number of tiny masses of cells which is also called as ओवरियन फॉलिकल्स, क्या बोलेंगे, ओवरियन फॉलिकल्स। दीज आर कलेक्टिवली फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम द इमेच्योर ओवा। अब ये कहाँ से बन रहा है, ये जो ओवरियन फॉलिकल्स है ये बन कहाँ से रहे हैं। सो दीज आर कलेक्टिवली फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम द इमेच्योर ओवा, जो ओवा था इमेच्योर ओवा था, और वी कैन से इमेच्योर जो एक्स प्रेजेंट थे, ओके, originating from cells of the dorsal endoderm of the yolk sac. The cells migrate to the gonadal ridge during embryonic development and divide mitotically. ठीक है. Now what is gonadal ridge? This is a developmental precursor to the gonads in both male and female. Okay. Now in both male and female embryos, not male and female bodies, male and female embryos, जो embryos form होते हैं female body में, in that. Now these cells are called what? These cells are said to be as what? Oogonia. As the oogonia continue to grow in size, they are surrounded by a layer of granulosa cells and form the rudiments of the ovarian follicles. ठीक है, जैसे जैसे ये oogonia grow होगा क्या हो जाएगा? It is surrounded by cells which is also said to be as granulosa cells. और क्या फॉर्म करेगा? They form rudiments of the ovarian follicles. The process of oogenesis starts much before the birth of the female baby. Whenever, जब भी एक फीमेल बेबी बॉर्न होने वाली रहेगी उसके पहले से ही क्या हो जाता है, ये oogenesis स्टार्ट हो जाता है before her birth. And by the end of 12 weeks the ovary is fully formed. Ovary कब तक fully formed हो जाती है? By the end of 12 weeks. So it has more than 2 million primordial follicles in it. कितने follicles present रहेंगे? More than 2 million primordial follicles present रहते हैं in a female baby. Okay. Now here you can see the diagram of ovary, which is the TS of ovary. Okay. अब यहाँ पे if you see तो सेंटर में जो आपको ब्रांच जैसा स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है, ओके, ट्री का ब्रांच जैसा, इट इज़ नॉट अ ट्री का ब्रांच बट कुछ वैसा ही दिख रहा है. सो इट इज़ वॉट, वो कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है? मेडुलरी रीजन में प्रेजेंट है. इट इज सेड टू बी एज मेडुला. अब उसके बाहर क्या प्रेजेंट है? पूरा कॉर्टेक्स. ठीक है, जहाँ पे ये फॉलिकल्स प्रेजेंट हैं वो रीजन क्या है? कॉर्टेक्स का रीजन है. नाउ इफ़ यू सी तो पहले क्या है, यहाँ पे ब्लड वेसल्स प्रेजेंट है. ओके, देन यू कैन सी सेंटर में मेडुला प्रेजेंट है. देन कॉर्टेक्स रीजन में अगर हम आ जाएंगे तो पहले डे 1 पे क्या है, यहाँ पे प्राइमोडियल फॉलिकल इज प्रेजेंट. देन दिस प्राइमोडियल फॉलिकल विल बिकम प्राइमरी फॉलिकल. देन सेकेंडरी फॉलिकल बन जाएगा. ठीक है, और जैसे जैसे ये ग्रो हो रहा है यू कैन सी जो उसके सराउंडिंग में सेल्स है वो इंक्रीज होते जा रहे हैं. यस, देन सेकेंडरी फॉलिकल बनेगा आफ्टर प्राइमरी फॉलिकल. देन यू कैन सी टर्शरी फॉलिकल फॉर्म हो गया है. आफ्टर दैट मैच्योर फॉलिकल फॉर्म हो जाएगा. यस, and then in center at the center you can see what oocyte is also present. Now ovulated ovum, after that you can see the structure of ovulated ovum. तो जो ovum था और you can say the egg था वो क्या हो गया है? ovulate हो चुका है, ovulation हो चुका है उसका. ठीक है, rupture हो चुका है. Then after that germinal epithelium, okay, जो बाहर की लेयर थी हमने देखा था. अब ये ovulated ovum जो है वो क्या फॉर्म करेगा? corpus luteum. Then corpus albicans, okay, and in this way it ends. So this was all about the TS of ovary. We will see it in detail one by one. हम डिटेल में देखने वाले हैं इसको. Now next point is what? The cells of germinal epithelium give rise to groups of oogonia which projecting into the cortex in the form of cords which is called as egg tubes or egg tubes of Fleger we can say. ठीक है. Each cord at its end has a round mass of oogonial cells which is called as egg nest from which the primordial ovarian follicles develop. So each primordial follicle, अभी जो एक एक primordial follicle है as at its center a large primary oocyte, उसके center में क्या present है? Large primary oocyte present है which is 2n, मतलब diploid है in nature, diploid, okay, which is surrounded by a single layer of flat follicular cells. जो प्राइमोडियल फॉलिकल है उसके सेंटर में क्या प्रेजेंट था? हमने देखा था लार्ज प्राइमरी oocyte, ओके, एंड इट इज सराउंडेड बाय अ सिंगल लेयर ऑफ फ्लैट फॉलिकुलर सेल्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? प्राइमरी फॉलिकल के बाद द प्राइमरी oocyte स्टार्ट्स विद इट्स मियोटिक डिवीजन बट गेट्स अरेस्टेड इट एट मियोसिस 1. ठीक है, ऑफ द 2 million प्राइमोडियल फॉलिकल्स embedded in the fetal ovary, only about 1 million remain at birth. ठीक है, 12 वीक्स पे हमने क्या देखा था, 2 मिलियन प्राइमोडियल फॉलिकल्स फॉर्म हुए थे, किसमें, एक फीमेल बेबी में, एट 12 वीक्स. ठीक है, बट एट द टाइम ऑफ बर्थ कितना रह जाएगा, ओनली 1 मिलियन, and only about 60,000 to 80,000 remain at the time of puberty. So when a female reaches to the puberty, only 60,000 to 80,000 it remains. The large scale destruction of the primordial follicles during growth is called atresia. Okay. Now next is what the development of the primordial follicles into mature or Graafian follicle. The development of the primordial follicles into mature or we can say the Graafian follicles restarts with the onset of puberty. Okay. सो जब प्यूबर्टी रहेगा वो टाइम पे क्या हो जाता है, द प्राइमोडियल फॉलिकल्स जो है वो क्या हो जाते हैं, मैच्योर हो जाते हैं और दे फॉर्म द ग्राफियन फॉलिकल्स. ड्यूरिंग ईच मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल ओनली वन ऑफ द प्राइमोडियल फॉलिकल्स स्टार्ट्स ग्रोइंग टू फॉर्म द ग्राफियन फॉलिकल. नॉट ऑल द प्राइमोडियल फॉलिकल्स will be maturing at the same time, but each menstrual cycle only one primordial follicle starts growing to form the Graafian follicle. Okay, so in each cycle alternately one of the two ovaries produces the Graafian follicle. Okay, the first menstrual cycle, or we can say the menarche, begins normally at about 13 years, and menopause, that is stopping of the cycle, happens at the age of 45 to 55 years. The period in between menarche and menopause is the reproductive age of the female and is approximately 32 years. Okay, how many years? 32 years. So in this time the female will be producing a maximum of about 416 eggs. That is, we can say 32 into 13 equals to 416 eggs. Okay. Now next is about the ovarian histology of a mature female. In the histology of ovary, we have discussed the primary structure of ovary. The following discussion includes the changes seen in a mature ovary, primarily in the cortex. Now the different stages of development of the oocyte can be seen. Notice exactly oocyte. It is a cell in an ovary which may undergo meiotic division to form an ovum. Okay, जिसे हम बोलते हैं oocyte. So these changes in the ovary are cyclic. कैसा रहेगा? It is cyclic process occurring during each menstrual cycle, and it involves maturation of the primordial follicles into primary, secondary and Graafian follicles. These structures already we have seen in the TS of ovary. Okay. Then each primary follicle has multi-layered cuboidal follicular cells. The stroma cells add theca over the follicle. Stroma cells क्या करते हैं? They add theca over the follicle. It now changes into a secondary follicle. So पहले क्या था? Primary follicle था. Yes? No. Previously it was primordial follicles. Then it became primary follicle, and after that क्या हो जाएगा वो? Secondary follicle में turn हो जाएगा. Then there is growth of the oocyte and the granulosa cells, increase in number. They start producing the hormone estrogen. After that क्या हो जाएगा? ये estrogen produce करने लग जाएंगे. The secondary follicle grows into the Graafian follicle. अब ये जो secondary follicle था ये किस में form हो जाएगा? Graafian follicle में form हो जाएगा by addition of more follicular cells. At this process of maturation of follicles takes place, they begin to move towards the surface of ovary. ठीक है, जैसे जैसे ये follicles grow होते जाएंगे, किधर जाएगा ये? They move towards the surface of the ovary. Center के side पे नहीं जाएंगे. They will move towards the surface. The Graafian follicle presses against the thin wall of the ovary, giving it a blistered appearance. The egg is released from the Graafian follicle during ovulation. Egg जो है क्या हो जाएगा? Release होगा from the Graafian follicle during ovulation, and the remaining part of the follicle changes into a temporary endocrine gland, which is also called as corpus luteum. If fertilization does not take place, the corpus luteum degenerates into a white scar, which is also called as corpus albicans. Okay. So here we end up with the structure and development of the ovary, as well as we have seen about the ovarian histology of mature female. Okay. In next video we are going to start with the structure of Graafian follicle.